Good stuff. Good stuff. And what do you go over in your program?
I pretty much this is what I do when I made the preface that I don't provide IT certifications, specific IT certifications. What I do is I evaluate you in terms of your personal skills that you bring to the table. Like Cynthia had mentioned that she has a background in education. So what I do is I say, hey, then you have the ability to deliver information, right? So if you have the ability to deliver information, then maybe you should study a particular certification, become certified in it, and then become an instructor, you know. So
Mm,
leverage your existing skills and find your niche in IT, whatever it is. Whatever skill set you bring, there's a place for you in IT. Now you have people like, for example, I had a coworker who came from the theater. This guy was the best network engineer I've ever worked with, right? Now, whatever the arrangement was for putting together scripts or coordinating actors and their facial emotions or expressions, I don't know what it was, but he took that same thought process and put it in IT, and he was phenomenal.
mm,
So, Andre, what I do is I evaluate where you're from or what skills you bring. I tell you my five major technical certifications you should consider. Non-technical, there's a lot of non-technical people. I also give you ideas for degrees that you should consider, non-technical and technical. I tell you the salary ranges that are associated with these positions.